how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Creating a public profile on Snapchat lets you showcase your content, gain subscribers, and access creator tools like insights and highlights. So to do that, go ahead and open Snapchat and click on your profile at the top left of your screen. And then from here, go ahead and scroll down and you'll be able to find public profile section. Tap on create public profile and read the overview and tap continue and then get started. Tap create to confirm. So if you don't see that option, make sure you meet the requirements. So first, you need to be at least 18 years old. Your account is older than 24 hours and you follow Snapchat's community guidelines. So what you get with a public profile: subscriber count, highlights, lens showcase, and insights. You can still control who sees your content by heading over to settings. You can view my content, view my story, and choose everyone for public reach. You can also manage comment and visibility from your profile settings. And that is how you can basically create a public profile on Snapchat.